Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Good afternoon. I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I am very good by the grace of Almighty. So, today's video's topic is how to learn English easily. I think English is a very important and a very easy language. So, everyone can feel hesitate and feel shy how they are learn English. But I think English is very easy and English is a very important language for everyone, for everyone or for every people in the world. English language basically, I think it's a very easy because I'm not a native speaker in English, but my native language Bangla. So English it is so easy if you practice regularly. If you practice regularly, then language you learn so easy. And if you don't practice regularly, you cannot learn this language. This language, if you learn this language, so make a practice. You can try practicing every day for grow up your speaking and grow up your um, fluency. So uh, you can practice every day. Yeah, I nowly I think nowadays I think I try to shoot practice every day. That's why I make a video. But I'm I never make this video, these languages in English because I'm not a good speaker. When I say they speak English, then I feel shy and shame. That's why I cannot make a video. So today this is the first video. You can see this video, and if you find out any mistakes, then you explain my comment section. If you explain my comment section, then I will try to solve for the next video, inshallah. So thank you everyone, thank you for watching this video. Oh my god.